Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Genesis G80 versus BMW. We'll dive into what makes each of these luxury sedans stand out, helping you decide which might be the better fit for your lifestyle. We'll examine their core strengths, from performance to interior comfort and technology. Get ready for a detailed breakdown to inform your next luxury car choice. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, both vehicles deliver impressive power. The Genesis G80 often comes with a robust 2.5-liter turbocharged engine, providing around 300 horsepower for smooth acceleration. BMW's 5 Series, on the other hand, frequently features a 2.0-liter turbo engine, offering about 255 horsepower. BMW is renowned for its sharp handling and a more connected driving experience, appealing to enthusiasts. The G80 prioritizes a refined, comfortable ride. Stepping inside, the Genesis G80 impresses with its expansive cabin and high-quality materials, often featuring a large 14.5-inch infotainment display. BMW's 5 Series emphasizes a driver-focused cockpit, integrating its intuitive iDrive system seamlessly. Both brands provide a wealth of advanced technology, including comprehensive driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. The G80 often feels more opulent, while BMW offers a sportier, more functional luxury. Considering value, Genesis often provides a more extensive warranty, typically covering 5 years or 60,000 miles for basic coverage and 10 years or 100,000 miles for the powertrain. BMW usually offers a 4-year or 50,000 basic warranty. The G80 often presents a compelling value proposition with its luxury features at a lower starting price. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Your support helps us create more content.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.